Hello, welcome to our first reading assignment, which is an excerpt by Michelle Alexander from her book called The New Jim Crow. It's a short reading assignment, so my points are as follows. When you read the first part of the Michelle Alexander excerpts, pay attention to the following. So the first thing that she's making, starting from sentence 1, is this distinction between what she's calling the commonly held beliefs as to why the U.S. has mass incarceration, record numbers of people who are arrested or sentenced to prison, and what the actual real reasons are for mass incarceration. So the first thing is to identify the difference between these two positions. What is the commonly held view of why so many people are arrested in the United States? The U.S. is number one in the world, right? Statistically, more people are arrested in the United States than any other country in the world, and what she says are the actual reasons for that. So that's the first thing. And then the second thing to watch out for in the first excerpt is just a few details about mass incarceration itself that she offers. What is the social cost? How many people are affected by this in America compared to some other countries, just to get the scale of mass incarceration in the United States. And also some of the reasons as to why is this happening? Like what could possibly lead to this? And my question for us in the class is to think about the following as you're reading this. Why would we even come up with something like this? Like, what would be the political usefulness to have a society, to create a society where so many people go to jail seemingly for very minor violations of the law, non-violent crimes, crimes that don't necessarily hurt anybody else except perhaps the person committing them. And why have mass incarceration in the first place? If the actual explanation for it, which Michelle Alexander provides in this first excerpt, is very different from the commonly held views